Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page. To delete the Facebook page, you must be an admin of the page. So open the Facebook app, then go to your page or profile, then scroll down and select settings and privacy. Next, select settings. Now from settings, scroll down and look for access and control. It's usually at the bottom, so under your information, select access and control. Now from here, you have three choices. You can deactivate, unpublish page, or delete page. So since we want to delete the page, select delete page. So take note that this is permanent. So you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook as this page. So your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So if you're sure about this, go ahead and click continue. So why you want to delete your Facebook page, choose a reason, then click continue. So before you delete, you can save posts in your archive, you can download your information. So just click go to activity log. If you want to save posts in your archive or if you want to download your information, click download info. And once you're done, click continue. Now you need to enter your password. So confirm page deletion by entering your Facebook password. Once done, click continue. Now, if you're sure, click delete page and your page will be deleted. So when you delete this Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information this page has shared on Facebook. So your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So once you delete the page, you will be switched to your main account. So you can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as your main profile and going to account settings. Now click delete page to confirm the action. So Facebook typically gives a grace period of 30 days during which you can cancel the deletion by logging back into the page. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.